Meow. So I think about where I'm going before I really put pen to pencil, so I'm just kind of getting an idea of those surprised cat eyes, big wide eyes. I'm just kind of feeling out where the next one needs to be. And I'll check it in a minute here, in a second here. So it's usually one eye width in between plus a little bit of space, and I'll show you more about that later on in the video. So I drew those ovals, and now I am just putting in some lines that actually isn't a whole bunch of a change, but it makes a big difference. So it's I'm kind of sculpting the cat's eye to the eye socket and the body and the bone structure. Yeah, kind of comparing eyes to make sure they go together. That corner of the eye matches up. There's that corner of the eye right there. I don't worry about it too much. Those are the main things I look for, is that the eyes go together. I don't want them to look exactly the same except a mirror image, because then you lose your character. Then it's really about perfection. It's not about expression. I want to stay about expression. So I fuss a little and, maybe add a bit more darkness. Now I'm going to feel out that pupil before I draw it. Keeping in mind they are generally ovals with a bit of a point at each end. And even if you just draw ovals, they don't, it's all about personal style really. And I'll do another set of eyes that kind of go more on the simple side after this. That one I felt like was a little tilted inward too much, so I'm kind of making corrections here. But you know what, if I left it, it would have been okay too. It's whether you're comfortable with it or not. Maybe you want that wonky look. I like a little bit of the wonky look myself. It really pumps character into my drawing. I used to be a total realist, and it's been so freeing to move away from that. I think those eyes look like they go together. I think look like they're fitted into the bone structure of the cat's face. Of course I got a fuss. Fussing is okay, but just don't over fuss. Okay, I'm just going to let that highlight happen. You see how I kind of just let it happen? But it was controlled as well. And again here. So then up, cut that area off. Kind of the same as the other one, but not exactly the same. Please don't try to make them look exactly the same. As soon as you get hung up on perfection, you don't leave room for your intuition to come in and guide you. I talk more about intuition in some of my other videos. These are the lines that kind of form the brow. And I don't always put them in. In some cats, they're really distinctive. Others not, but they're a good measuring tool, because one eye, it ends up somewhere in there, like right at the line or inside the line, depending on the way the cat's face is tilting. And don't worry about it if you don't get it perfect, because it'll just mean the cat's head is turned a little bit different, as long as it looks comfortable. Let's do a simpler version. So nice big round circles. That's all I'm doing is round circles. And these are kind of really surprised eyes. So this is just a simplistic way I like to do it sometimes. And I love it. I really do. It's all about personal style. Think about Snoopy the dog. Charles Schulz's simple drawings that captured the heart of the whole world. So if you like the videos, I hope you subscribe. There's lots more to come, and please add your comments and tell me what kind of things you want to learn about cat drawing. That's how I get my ideas for my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.